Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here. I am super happy that you're on my channel watching. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to at the bottom to my channel. Click the notification bell, that way you receive notices when I have new releases and you can watch and support me. I appreciate each and every one of you. So today I am gonna give you some information regarding an upcoming art event that I have going on this weekend that I'm gonna be participating in. If you're in the Pennsylvania area in New York, US, I am gonna be at Arts in the Park for all those of you that are nearby and want to just go in and watch. There are going to be tons of crafters and vendors available. It's a beautiful event for those of you that appreciate art. All kinds of crafters show up, and you can just, stroll down, take a look at what everybody has in their tents. It's awesome. I'm going to be there, and I hope to see you there, those of you that are in the nearby surrounding areas. So Arts in the Park is going to be happening at West Park in Allentown, PA. It's going to be Saturday, September 14th, between 10 and 5 p.m. So stop by, swing by. If you're in the area, stop by and say hello. I will be there. Now I'm going to show you my dry painting from my previous video, which I'm happy. I tweaked it a little bit, but eventually it turned out beautiful. The colors are just gorgeous. The combination, it's beautiful. And again, this is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. Take a look at that. Tell me what you think about this beauty. Leave your comments in the comment section below. So this is available for purchase. You know what to do. Email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com if you're interested. Now, I am going to show you something that I've been working on, and I'll show you a couple of them. So I've been working on these car coasters, and I am getting them ready for the holidays. I just put paint all over it. Hold on. So I've been working on them for the holiday. They will be available also for purchase. I have all different ones. So I want to show you this one first. Take a look at how cute that is. Isn't that a beauty? I love it. Super happy. And my next one is this one. Take a look at that. If you're interested to see how I make these, just leave a comment in the comment section below. I do use my Cricut for these little creative. They're so pretty. These even like make a set, but I try to pair them up with like my resin art. And then one last one I want to show you. Take a look at this one. See how pretty? So I'm gonna, let me put these back. I do want to show you a finished one. Hold on. So this is a finished one I have already done. Take a look how gorgeous that is. They could be like stocking stuffers for the holidays. Let me know if you're interested in these. I do have these available. I do make them often. So they're so cute and very accessible. So let me know if you're interested. Let me put that away. And we're going to go ahead, get started. I don't think there's anything else I need to show you. You've seen everything else that has been done. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone. So we are a little far out because I wanted you to get a better view of the canvas. So I kind of like pushed you further out. I hope you have a clear view. You can even see my cup of coffee here that I'm having. And we're going to go ahead and begin. I am going to show you the base color, which I mixed. This is titanium white and rose pink by Amsterdam. So that is what I have in the cup here, very light. So we're going to go ahead, get started. I am going to flood my canvas, and then I'll show you what our colors are to be layered on the top today. So let me put this right over here. Okay, so we are back. The canvas has been flooded. Now I'm popping the air bubbles because we don't want pinholes in our painting as it dries. Awesome. And now we're gonna go ahead with the colors. I'm trying to think, what do I want to do? Okay, so I'm gonna do kind of a zigzag, but like an 8. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And my first color is Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. I'm trying to think if I go. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Next color I have Pearl Green by Amsterdam. Okay, that's interesting. Next color I have Terra Rossa by Pebeo. I love this color. I think I say that every time I use this color. I do, I like it a lot. So Terra Rossa. Okay. Next I have Pearl Rose by Arteza. So Pearl Rose. Okay. Next I have Pearl Peony Pink by Arteza. So a lighter pink. Next I have Pearl Lavender Purple by Arteza. I'm wondering if I should put, you know what? I'm going to take the purple out, and I am going to do Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. I just want to switch up the brands. I want to make sure I get different brands to get a better reaction on my paints. Okay. So that was Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. Now I have Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. Ah, got stuck with the same. Talk about having changed the brand, right? Okay. And last, I have Pearl Lilac by Arteza. those are my colors. Let's go ahead and torch out the air bubbles. We are gonna take our time in blowing this out. It's coming off the edge here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. And that looks interesting. I think I'm gonna wipe out over here. And I'll do that on camera so you can see what I'm gonna be doing here. So right over here that I lost, I'm gonna just come in just like that. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay. All right, so wipe that clean. I'm gonna blow in here, but I'll do that in a minute. Okay, so that makes more sense to me. This one, right over here, I'm just gonna darken the line to bring it up there. Perfect. Okay, that looks good. And then I think over here is good. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up my edges. Let me go ahead and torch out the air bubbles. Perfect. Love it. And I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and I have to tell you, she's a beauty. I couldn't be happier with the way this design turned out. It is, look at this, a lot of motion, very different, but love. Take a look at this. Look how beautiful. I love it. Tell me what you guys think about this one. Take a look at that. Look at the petals, beautiful petals. Love how the colors work together. I'm super happy with it. And you can see that's where I tweaked it. And over here, I did as well. I'm sorry, I moved you too fast. So over here, I did as well. And that's the finished painting. Tell me if you like it. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here at Float Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. And I'm so far off my table so you can see the whole painting here. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm super happy with this one. I hope you are too. And just something a little different. Okay? So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.